Hello, and I'll be talking how plants germinate. So plants germinate first when you put the seed in the soil, the first thing that the plant starts to do is try and find water. So that means its roots have to start going down and start looking for water. So that's the first step of every and almost any seed that I know of. So after the seed has found uh, the water that is needed, it'll start growing out, looking for sun, and once it finds the sun, it'll keep growing and it'll keep getting bigger. So a plant germinates. So, for example, you've got the little seed. It starts by itself. It uses the nutrients of the seed to start growing, and then after it's used its own nutrients to find the water and sun, or the roots to start growing roots into the ground to find water. Then after that, it'll start searching for, or once it starts finding the water, it'll start searching for sun, and it'll start growing. And that's by the time that's happening, the sun or the plant will need to use the seed for nutrients, and it'll be able to grow on its own for however long the plant will live. And yeah, that's how a plant germinates. Okay, so this is a image of how a plant germinates. So as you can see, it starts as like a little seed here, and then it starts looking for water down here with the roots, and then once it's already found water, like the little roots, it'll start growing up to find sun, and then it'll keep growing the roots, and it'll keep growing to find even more sun. So it'll keep growing, and the roots will get even bigger, and the plant itself from this point will get bigger. So the stem will get bigger. The other thing is this. So this is like a bean example, I guess. And it starts as a small bean. Then you have a little, it's tiny here, looking for water. And then it goes even more down to look for more water. It extends a tiny bit, like upwards. Every time it extends upwards. And then it keeps looking for water, and it's like almost out. And then the stem or the leaves appear are for the sun mostly, and then everything starts getting bigger, like the whole plant with the roots and the stem gets bigger, and it'll keep getting bigger from here. And yeah, this is how graphic image of how a plant germinates.